Well, it's a victory for my people, for the poor person in the village who aspires for a better tomorrow, who wants to be a part of the national mainstream, who thinks that their children can have a better future. So, yes, I will go back to Agartala and then I'll go back to the place, the venue, and I will break my fast. And I would like to thank everyone possible, including my President, Vijay Babu, the representative of the civil society, Dilip De Barma, my LOP, not to forget Sukla Nuatia, who is a minister from the IPFT. But today we have not represented ourselves as a political party. We have represented ourselves as a community, a proud community who's been denied a lot of justice over a period of time. And this is a step in the right direction.